Dear viewers, join me today as we travel from Ahmedabad to the breathtaking Nathia Gali, a journey through winding roads, majestic hills, lush green trees. Now, as we climb higher, the clouds start to float down to greet us. If you are driving, there is a tip for you. Make sure your car's radiator is in good shape because the ascent is very steep and it's important to keep your engine cool. You can see the people enjoying on the roadsides, sitting by the roadside, soaking in the beauty of nature. Soon you will come across charming little food stalls offering hot pakoras, boiled eggs, steaming cup of tea. But there is a little advice from my side. वो ये है कि आप चुरैया के मुकाम पे रुकें जहाँ पे एक नेचुरल वाटरफॉल है एंड इट इज़ आफ्टर अ सीरीज ऑफ शार्प टर्न्स. यहाँ पे आपकी गाड़ी को बहुत अच्छा सा रेस्पाइट मिल सकता है और ये पानी पीने का पानी है, बहुत हीलिंग इफेक्ट है. देयर इज अ आइस कोल्ड एंड इनक्रेडिबली रिफ्रेशिंग वाटर एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू फिल योर बॉटल्स because it's pure healing and water straight from the mountains. Locals say that it helps with digestion and keep your body cool on the climb. Now you can see the beautiful surroundings. You will really enjoy and enjoy yourself with a cup of tea and pakode. Now we shall soon continue on our ascent, and as we get nearer to our destination, the fog thickens. See the people stopping here, enjoying the cool wind. Now here finally we reach near our destination. Just before entering the bazaar of Nathia Gali, there is a road on your left. मैं आपको एडवाइस करूंगी कि कालाबाग एयर बेस को जैसे ही आप क्रॉस करेंगे तो फिर आपने अपने लेफ्ट साइड पे फोकस रखना है. देयर इज अ रोड अप हिल अबाउट अ किलोमीटर अहेड ऑफ कालाबाग. लुक आउट फॉर अ साइन पोस्ट दैट सेज एल्पाइन रिजॉर्ट्स. आपने एक साइन पोस्ट पे नजर रखनी है अपने लेफ्ट पे. अब ये देखिए, वी आर ऑन द रोड टुवर्ड्स एल्पाइन रिजॉर्ट्स. Take that road uphill and follow the boards marked Alpine. आप देखेंगे हर मोड़ पे आपको साइन पोस्ट्स मिलेंगी जिन पे ग्रीन रिट्रीट्स एंड अल्पाइन रिजॉर्ट्स लिखा होगा. Each turn reveals a new view, more stunning than the last. And soon you will reach the entrance of Alpine Resorts. Here we are, the scenery, the silence, the crisp mountain air. It will blow your mind. So stay with me till the end because this journey is the one you will enjoy and you will never forget. Here we enter into Alpine. Now see, there was a big rush of people, all filled with excitement. We were gently guided towards the parking lot, not knowing what to expect. But finally we arrived and it felt like stepping into a dream. Here we took shortcut to the terrace of Alpine from the parking lot. The forest was covered in soft fog, making everything look very peaceful and magical. Now see, people were walking around, smiling, taking photos. Right in the middle stood a beautiful dining hall with large terraces where everyone gathered to relax and enjoy the view. सब लोग ही बहुत खुश थे, हर चेहरा मुस्कुरा रहा था क्योंकि मौसम ही इतना खूबसूरत और बहुत ही चिली वेदर था. यहाँ पे थोड़ी देर पहले बहुत तेज बारिश हो चुकी थी. Now see these wooden pathways. People are getting crazy. Little bridges which lead us deeper into the forest. Each path was decorated with colorful flowers, making it feel like we are in a fairy tale. Now see, we are heading towards the deck. It was calm, beautiful and full of happiness. A truly unforgettable experience. As evening approached, we decided to have dinner at the hotel's restaurant. We were advised to sit inside as weather was getting worse outside. The menu offered a delightful selection of cuisine. I must tell you that food is costly. यहाँ पे खाना थोड़ा महंगा है. Now see, there is a selection of cakes and sweets as well, each with its own unique flavor and charm. The beautifully decorated halls and pathways added to the magical ambience, making every step feel like a journey through a dream. The entire area is adorned with vibrant flowers, artistic woodwork. Each corner worth pausing at to take in its beauty. There is an exit now. The natural beauty of the place has been lovingly preserved. It definitely offers a tranquil escape from the chaos of daily life. Along the main pathway, see, there is even a small zoo. A zoo on your right side. Every spot worth stopping at. Lush plantations. For those who wish to extend their stay, the hotel offers very cozy and comfortable rooms that perfectly complement the serene surroundings. Now see, we could not go beyond this area. You can see the zoo on your right. A perfect attraction for families and children to enjoy a fun and educational day, I must say. After spending a long, wonderful evening, we made our way back to the parking area to retrieve our car. But I must tell you that we left with heavy hearts and unforgettable memories. already hoping to return again soon. ये एक बहुत खूबसूरत दिन था. यहाँ से वापस जाने को दिल नहीं चाह रहा था, लेकिन डेफिनेटली वी हैव टू रिटर्न. जब मैं यहाँ पे पार्किंग के लिए आई थी तो देयर वाज नो स्पेस. बहुत मुश्किल से मेरी गाड़ी को यहाँ पे पार्क किया गया, लेकिन मैनेजमेंट का बहुत ज़बरदस्त एटीट्यूड भी था और उनकी मैनेजमेंट भी एक्सेलेंट थी. I said goodbye to Alpine Hotel and Resorts. इतना ज़्यादा रश होने के बावजूद, पार्किंग ना मिलने के बावजूद, मैं आपको बताती चलूं कि हम बिल्कुल तंग नहीं हुए. बिकॉज ऑफ द गुड मैनेजमेंट ऑफ एल्पाइन, उन्होंने बहुत स्मूथली हमारी गाड़ियाँ पार्क करवाई, हमें डाइनिंग हॉल्स तक ले गए. एंड हियर वी एग्जिट. Dear viewers, if you ever get the chance, I wholeheartedly recommend visiting this place. And if you could, stay at the hotel, explore its offerings and experience the true taste of life. Goodbye Nathiagali. Goodbye Alpine.